welcome to the Principal's message on a beautiful winter's day. I thought members of our community might be interested in having a little bit of a look at how the Dame Phyllis Frost Centre and Canteen project's progressing. We're about a month out from delivery and there's certainly a lot to show you, so come and have a look around. So here we are at the entrance to the Dame Phyllis Frost Centre. Those of you who have been in the community for a little while might remember this as the entrance to the old Year 9 centre space. Come on in and have a look. So here we are in the old Year 9 centre space, which will be the major hub of the Dame Phyllis Frost Centre. And behind me we've got conference rooms where students will be able to work individually or in groups. So here we've got the exterior of more of the conference rooms. These conference rooms will be really useful for, say, Year 12 students studying, and also for Dame Phyllis Frost Centre students to work in small groups. So here we are on the other side of the building, classrooms that people who have been in the community for a while might know as 9.4 and 9.5. These are going to become our new canteen and our new cafe. So here I'm in the cafe at the moment, looking into the canteen, and as you can see, plastering work's really continuing at the moment, and we're getting ready to fit out the canteen. So here we are, new entrance to the Carolyn Stone Centre, and over here on my left, new entrance to the Dame Phyllis Frost Centre. So I hope you've enjoyed having a little bit of a look around the new Dame Phyllis Frost Centre Canteen and Cafe. Our official opening of this building is scheduled for the 27th of July, which is the Friday at the end of the first week of Term 3. I'd love members of our community to come along and join us at our official opening, and I can't wait to see this fabulous new facility for our school. Thanks very much for watching.